everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the art of layering pillows like an interior designer. Let's get right into the video. While also incorporating the secret life of pillows with fluffing, layering, and zipping, what it taught me about slowing down and styling well. So let me just go ahead and say this. If you've never had a soft moment with a pillow insert and a stubborn zipper, are you actually even really decorating? Just a question, thought to ponder on. I'm not just talking about throwing a pillow on the bed and calling it one and done. What I really mean is the actual art of it. And it is art. The care, the precision, and what I'm talking about is the quiet joy that only a real homebody, decorator, designer can really indulge in and take notice of and enjoy the process. So this process actually starts with your actual insert, the pillow form. Now, if you know me in my actual life, which you don't, you pretty much know me from YouTube, a lot of you, that you would know that I have been playing around with pillows and all the pretty things, not only for myself, but for others for years. During this process that I have become a lover of all things beautiful and all things home, all encompassing. And that as well includes pillows and pillow covers, which also, of course, you know, I have pillow covers that I make, which is included down below in the description box. Interior decorating and styling and designing has always definitely been a passion of mine. Lining things up just came the throw blankets again and the pillow covers and such, as well as making the pillows, as I just spoke of. It's no wonder that I have developed a deep love and a passion for the entire process, and that includes working with your pillow covers, especially again because I am a pillow cover maker. Currently, I only offer pretty much my pillow covers and of course candles on my Etsy shop. So again, that's linked down below. Here is my process. Here is how I do it. And again, as I said before, it starts with your actual pillow insert. Now I have a video that I have provided the link down below. If you have not seen that, if you are new to the channel, as many of you are, I will leave that link down below. But it starts with your pillow inserts and how you start to insert the actual pillow inside pillow cover. And it does take precision and it does take care. Now what I do simply here is take pillow cover. I like to lay it out, and if it's a one-sided pillow cover as this one is, I will lay it this side up, printed side face up. The opposite side on this one happens to be plain, a cream color. I lay that flat. You're going to take notice and take care with your pillow covers. You're not just going to start grabbing your pillow insert and just stuffing it inside of the pillow, grabbing, pushing, pulling, tugging, and you're not going to do that. This takes precision and it definitely takes care. Take your time with this process because it will matter in the end and how your pillow is going to appear. So with a little fluffing, patting it down, not beating it. Don't take out your aggression. That's just a little whisper of wisdom there. I mean, this is a good opportunity because it's a soft place to land if you want to just... We're not doing that today. What we're going to do is take your pillow and you're going to politely fold it in half. Just so, just like in the video. And you want to take your insert, which is open, carefully pull it down, inserting the pillow in, corner to corner, poke, poke, fill it in, take the opposite end, do the same, and you're going to carefully take your time, not beating it, zip it right up, fluff it down, pat it up, fluffiness that you desire it to look, a little puffy, fluffy, fat look. Fabulous and thick is what we like to call it. And there you have it. You don't want to fight the fabric and the cover while you are inserting your pillows inside of the actual cover. You want to take care and slowly do guiding and precision when you are inserting your covers again, is because you want each corner filled proportionately. You don't want it to be filled over on one end and limp on the other. You want to prevent overstuffing also your pillow covers. Why? Because you can easily ruin the seams. You can ruin the fabric because you're overstretching the fabric. If it's a one-off pillow cover you just grabbed on a whim and you simply don't care much about it, this is not for you. Think of it like squeezing pants that don't fit just right. When those fabulous thighs are fighting their way in and you're just holding your breath trying to get them inside of those lovely pants, well, your pillow covers also need the right fit. But when you've got your pillow covers made beautifully, handcrafted with precision and with design, with that beautiful, rich texture, colors, and with intention, like the ones that I offer here on the shop, treat them with some care. Now, if you remember earlier, I touched on the zipper portion. Let me elaborate on that a little bit more. From a design eye, the zipper is the entry point. Zipper is the entry point of your pillow's whole story. So the insert, if it's too large in size, too wide, thick, then you're going tugging it and pulling on it just to get it inside of your actual pillow cover. Then what that causes is it causes the strain on the zipper when you go to try to close it or you're trying to open it, which would in turn cause it to break, and then that'll just throw the whole shape of your pillow off. Who wants that? Why don't you take your time, get the proper size pillow insert for the actual pillow cover size. So these are the things that you might want to take into account when you are inserting your pillows inside of your pillow covers. These are some tips, and that is well needed, that you do need to take pause of and thought about when you are addressing your pillow covers and decorating whatever space it is. And for me, in this space today, I'm in the bedroom. So this is styling your bed with your pillows. And again, taking your time, resolve that issue of being frustrated, getting overworked, working yourself up into a sweat while you are trying to insert these pillow covers, having to turn on maybe your ceiling fan, get yourself some air and all of those things. Look, avoid it. Take your time. This is a process just like life. Take your time and go through it with intention. I really want you to enjoy your pillow covers as long as possible. These instructions, these caring tips is going to take your pillow covers a lot further than they would normally if you were just being overly aggressive or exposing them in ways that you shouldn't. So stay with me. Exposure, that's sunlight. I know we all love that golden hour glow in our homes, but too much direct sunlight on your pillow covers is not a good thing. It's not your friend. Rich textures and tones can fade and they discolor, and the fibers can break down faster over time, especially when they're in direct, especially summer sunlight. What was once that beautiful soft cream, it's going to turn to that yellowish wash look, and the deep blues and greens can start to look washed out as well. So here's that quick little whisper of wisdom. Even for the brightest things, they need a little shade to last. So whether it's drawing the curtains during the peak hours or rotating your pillows from time to time, just a little care. Remember, it goes a long way. You spent the money, so caring for what you've invested in is everything. And that's in home and in life. So when we rush, force, or overlook the small things, what we do, we end up paying for it twice. Once in money and again in regret. That goes for life and home and your home decor. And so as always, thank you for joining me here for decorating, styling your pillows like a pro. This has been Chanel. Stay inspired, motivated, keep moving, creating something beautiful. If not for yourself, then definitely for someone else. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one. Oh, and let me not forget, my new channel is also linked down below. It is faith-filled, the raw, the messy, the in-between moments of life, especially for women, because I am a woman, so I speak to the subject. And I would love to see you over there. The link is down below in the description box. Bye for now.